This is a composition of steel and cast irons. Various type of steels and cast irons. This is the material and composition. So pure iron is pure iron the carbon content is 0.08% of carbon, remaining is iron. In steel, so carbon content is vary from 0.008 to 2% of carbon, plus remaining is iron. So at the next is cast iron. Cast iron is carbon range is 2 to 4.3% of carbon, plus remaining is iron. So cast iron is have the three categories, that is the low carbon steel, medium carbon steel and high carbon steel. So low carbon steel means carbon content is 0.05 to 0.25% of carbon, plus remaining is iron. In medium carbon steel, so carbon content is vary from 0.25 to 0.5% of carbon, plus remaining is iron. In high carbon steel, so carbon content is vary from 0.5 to 1.7% of carbon, plus remaining is in the iron. So next is the steel is categorized into three types. So only is eutectide steel. Is eutectide steels have the carbon content of 0.8% of carbon, plus remaining is iron. Next, hypoeutectide steel. So eutectide steel is categorized to two types. One is hypo and hyper. So hypoeutectide steel has the carbon content is less than 0.8% of carbon, remaining is iron. Hypereutectide steel, so carbon content is vary from 0.8 to 2% of carbon is hypereutectide steel. In eutectic cast iron, so carbon content is 4.3% of carbon, plus remaining is iron. So eutectic cast iron is categorized into two types. One is hypoeutectic and hypereutectic. So in hypoeutectic cast iron, carbon content is vary from 2% of carbon to 4.3% of carbon. In hypereutectide cast iron, the carbon content is more than 4.3% of carbon. Okay, hyper is more than 4.3% of carbon, so plus remaining is iron. Thank you.